So hello guys, welcome again. In this video we will talk about Infosys Interview Experience 2021 part 2. Basically I already made one video on Infosys interview. So if you haven't watched that video, then I will give the link of that video on description and I button as well. So first question is explain the process of SDLC. So basically this is most common asked question in Infosys Interview 2021. So SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. So there are 6 steps involved in SDLC. First one is analysis. In analysis step, we basically gather the requirement or data from the customer, like what is the requirement of customer and what is the expectation of customer from their product. And after that, like we create a SRS, and after that we give that SRS to design team, and after that design team create a design to that particular project, and after that implementation process in which we involve the coding and all these things. And after like creating product hand over to the testing team test that product, and if is there any bug is occur, then testing team again hand over to the implementation team, and after that they will resolve that problem. And after that release or install that particular software after testing, and after that maintenance, like if customer have any issue with the software after installing and hand over the customer, then there is one maintenance team. So second question is what is recursion. Basically a recursion is widely used phenomena in computer science used to solve the complex problem by breaking them down into smaller ones. Recursion is a process by which function call itself directly or indirectly. So basically a recursion is a function which call itself again and again. Write a factorial program using recursion. So this is also a like basic questions, but yeah, you should know about this question. As you can see on a screen, factorial program using recursion. Here we are using recursion, and here you can see the process, like we divide our problem into small chunks, and after that solve that problem using recursion. So fourth question is what is inheritance. So basically inheritance is the concept of where derived class inherit the common property from the parent class. As you can see, we have two classes, base class and derived class. Animal is basically parent class. Animal have two method, eat and sleep. So basically every animals do this thing, so this is common property. And like so dog class can inherit that common property in their class, and they can use without using code, like without writing code again and again. So basically inheritance is the famous for code reusability as well. So next question is what is encapsulation. So encapsulation is the process of wrapping data and code together into a single unit. For example, a capsule which is mixed of several medicine. As you can see, like in our class we have methods and variable, and we combine them into a single unit, that is class. So if we talk about in real life, then in capsule we have like different medicine in inside that. So that is work as a method and variable, and complete capsule or template work as a class. So sixth question is what is Q data structure. So Q is linear data structure based on the principle of FIFO, first in first out. So if we insert any particular variable first, then that will be deleted first. So we insert or NQ that element from rear side and delete from front side. So basically as you can see in diagram, we have two sides. First one is rear side and second one is front side. From rear side we basically NQ the data, or we can say add the data, insert the data, and from second side, that is DQ, we delete the data. So next question is what is pointer. A pointer is a variable that store a memory address. Pointer are used to store the address of other variable or memory item. So basically we also use pointer to pass as address, and we can change the value of any particular variable using their address. So basically we use pointer for memory allocation. As you can see in diagram, we have one variable num, and after we store that particular variable in this address. So what is the difference between drop, truncate and delete? This is like so confusing question, and people get stuck when interview asks this question to anyone. So first of all, delete command is used to delete a row, particular row and all the row based on the condition which we have, and we can roll back our data when we done any operation using delete command. And after that, talking about drop command, then drop command basically drop or delete all the rows at once, and it will also delete the schema of that particular table, and we can't roll back if we like use drop and we delete our table. So our complete data will lost. So if you talk about truncate command, then by using truncate command we can delete all the rows at once, and we cannot roll back our data. And basically truncate is more faster than delete. So ninth question is, what is linked list and types of linked list? A linked list is the linear data structure in which elements are stored in contiguous memory locations, unlike array. In array we use contiguous memory allocation in memory. In other words, like linked list is the collection of nodes where every node have two part. First one is data part, and second one is link or reference part. So where address part of the last node contain null value, and head node store the address of first node. As you can see in diagram, head node store the address of first node, and the last node address part of last node contain null value. So last question is, why we should use linked list over array data structure? So first thing, linked list is a dynamic data structure which can shrink or grow at runtime by allocating or deallocating memory, and insert and deletion of the node are really easy, and memory usage traversal is also easy and fast. Reverse traversing, so in doubly linked list we can easily reverse the linked list. So like main purpose of using linked list over the array is dynamic memory allocation. So same question interview can ask like this, why we should not use array? So array is basically not provided the facility of dynamic memory allocation, so that is the big issue with the array we have. And also sometimes wastage of the memory, like suppose you want 100 bytes of memory and you allocate 150, then 50 bytes of memory will going to waste. And suppose sometimes like you need 100 bytes of memory and you allocate 80, so you have to again resize that particular array, and again you have to perform that particular operation. So we have many reasons to use linked list over the array data structure. So thank you guys. If you feel that this video is beneficial for you, then please like the video, subscribe the channel so you can get more update like this type of videos. Thank you.